Welcome to the official launch of the new Go for Gold website. We are thrilled to announce the launch of our brand new website, showcasing an array of upgrades that not only enhance its look and feel but also align it with our mission to empower youth through skills development. Welcome to the revamped online home of Go for Gold. At Go for Gold, we are dedicated to providing young individuals with incredible opportunities to transform their lives. Our new website serves as a platform to highlight our amazing work in youth development, showcasing the life-changing skills development programs we offer. What sets our new website apart is our strong focus on collaboration with prestigious partner companies from the South African built environment. As of 2021, Go for Gold has also been welcoming companies from the manufacturing sector in South Africa. Go for Gold partner organizations have recognized the immense value of our initiatives and have joined hands with us to support youth empowerment. Through our revamped website, we shine a spotlight on these partnerships, allowing prospective industry partners to learn more about the benefits of joining forces with Go for Gold. Together, we can drive positive change and enjoy the BBBE and tax benefits that come with such collaborations. One of the key aspects of our new website is its ability to drive donations. By highlighting the remarkable work we do and the tangible impact we have on the lives of young people, we hope to inspire individuals and organizations to support our cause. We believe in the power of collective action, and each contribution we receive will help us provide even more skills development opportunities and support to deserving youth. But that's not all. Our new website amplifies our mission to create a significant impact, and we have designed it to be user-friendly and engaging, ensuring that visitors can easily navigate and find the information they seek. Whether you are a prospective industry partner looking to make a difference or a passionate supporter wishing to contribute, our website provides all the necessary details to get involved. Join us on this exciting journey as we launch our new website, unlocking endless possibilities for youth development. Visit us at www.goforgold.org.za and explore the various ways you can get involved, make a difference, and be a catalyst for change. Together, let's empower our youth, shape their futures, and create a better tomorrow for generations to come. Thank you.